Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Here are 10 things a son needs to hear from his father. As a son, there are many things that can be meaningful to hear from a father. Here are 10 examples. 1. I love you. Expressing love is essential for any relationship, and hearing it from a father helps strengthen the bond between a father and son. 2. I'm proud of you. Acknowledging your son's accomplishments, efforts, and growth can boost his confidence and motivate him to continue striving for success. 3. I believe in you. Instilling confidence in your son's abilities and reassuring him that you have faith in his potential can provide a strong foundation for his self-esteem. 4. I'm here for you. Letting your son know that you are always available to support, listen, and offer guidance helps create a sense of security and trust in your relationship. 5. I respect you. Demonstrating respect for your son's thoughts, opinions, and decisions fosters a healthy dynamic and encourages open communication. 6. I'm sorry. Acknowledging your mistakes and taking responsibility for them sets a positive example for your son, teaching him the importance of accountability and humility. 7. You can always count on me. Reassuring your son that you will be there during both good times and challenging moments reinforces the notion of a dependable and loving father-son relationship. 8. Let's spend time together. Making an effort to engage in shared activities, hobbies, or simply spending quality time together strengthens the bond and creates lasting memories. 9. I forgive you. Granting forgiveness when your son makes mistakes allows him to learn and grow from his experiences, promoting a sense of acceptance and resilience. 10. You have what it takes. Encouraging your son to pursue his dreams and reminding him of his capabilities can inspire confidence and provide the necessary support for him to achieve his goals. Remember, the specific needs and desires of each son may vary, so it's important to tailor your words and actions to suit your individual relationship with your son. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.